Hi guys, in this video I'm going to explain how to use TG groups and how to share your teams with your friends or relatives or your group members. So lot of users are asking about this update actually. That's why we have updated this new feature. So what this means is you can share let's say if you have 5 friends or 10 friends and if you want to create 200 teams, so normally joining 200 teams on your own by your single account is not possible, right? So if you have a group of friends and so you can share 20 teams 20 teams 20 teams to every each of your friends or group members, so that you can easily join those 20 teams within a fraction of seconds with the advanced features we have, like sharing all the teams to whatever the fantasy application within fraction of seconds. So this is very useful if you are aiming for a mega GL, and if you are aiming for big amounts, and if you are targeting for private contest in Dream11 or in other fantasy applications as well. So we have updated this feature. This is very useful. And also for creation of the group, so a user can create the group. The creation of the group should have the group owner access. So if you want to create your group, you should have the group owner access. For the group owner access, you have to message our WhatsApp number, which I'm going to display in the screen as well as in the description and comment section below. So if you have 10 people, if you have 20 people, what I suggest is take one group access. So you should only have one group access, and any one of your friends, like if you are good at creating teams, you just create those teams and share it to your friends. That's why not everyone need to have the access for the group owner access. So one of your team, one of your friends is fine. So after getting the group owner access, you will see this option from the top left corner. You will see the menu option, and in that option you can see manage group info. This is the new option you will going to get. So after getting that manage group option, so what I'm explaining right now is not needed for every normal user. I'm explaining this in the point of view of a group owner access, group owner, how to create a group and how to share the teams. So later in this video I'm going to explain as a normal user what you have to do to get the group teams. So if you are 5 members, let's say one of your friend taken this group owner access. So group owner access, that your friend will share the teams. So you will before the match starts, let's say before 20 minutes of the match start, so you will get those teams and you can easily join quite easily. So first of all, I'm explaining how to create a group and how to add your group members, like how to add your friends to your group, and then how to share the teams. Like if you want to share 100 teams, 200 teams with your group members, I'm going to explain how to do that. And I'm also going to show you how a normal user can also see those teams and join those teams. Like if you are part of the group, of that group, under that group shared teams, you can also see those teams, and you can join those teams. So I will show that as well. So first point, if you are a normal group owner, you have to come to here, manage group info. Here you can see there is no group with your mobile number. That's why it is asking for create new group. So let's create a group. So we have to give the name. So let's see, my name is Bobby, so I will give Bobby GL Teams, just a unique name. So this is my group name, so I will create a group. So as soon as my group created, you can see my group created just now with my group name, and owner is my mobile number, and you can see created date and all. And also you can see the main important thing, group members. You can see group members, my mobile number is there because by default a group owner will be added to the group member list. So after that you can add your group, add users, like you can add your friends, or you can add your colleagues, you can add your relatives, or you can add any of your people, like to whom you want to share the teams. So for example, if I add my name, another mobile number which is my main mobile number, So I will add some nickname as well. So just for identification, just for your identification, this name is nothing but your identification. You can give any name. And also the team count, this is important, like how many teams that friend wants, like that friend want to join 20 teams, then you can set up 20 here. If your friend want to join only 15 teams or 10 teams or 3 teams, you can set up the count here. Let's say I want to set up 18 teams for this. So for my mobile number, 20 teams, and another mobile number I have set up 18 teams. If I want to update, I can also edit. Let's say I want 15 teams, so I can also do 15. So you can see it's got updated, and 15 is my the number of teams I want. And another friend, let's say if it is a friend, so my another friend wants 18. So if you want to remove that user or group member, you can also do that. So this is how you have to add or edit or delete your group members, and you build your group. So once this is done, so everything is normal, you just create your teams. Let's say I'm selecting this match. As usually you create your teams. Let me quickly select all the players. I'm just showing this for the demonstration. This is not real teams, so I'm just showing for example. Okay, so okay, I can see that. Okay, I'm creating, let's say I'm creating 50 teams, let's say 40 teams. I will also create 10 more teams. So I have created teams, okay, for this match. So after you created the teams, come to my matches section where you will see your old match teams. So this is the teams. You can see 10 teams and 40 teams. So you can see 10 and 40 teams both are created. But if you are a normal user, you will not get these options like share option, reload option, as well as merge option. You can see in the above. So these options I am getting because I have the group owner access and I want to share the teams to my group. So okay, so what the merge means is nothing but, let's say if there is a match between India versus Australia, and 50 teams, you want to create 100 teams, and out of 100 teams you want to create 50 teams in favor of India and 50 teams in favor of Australia. So you create two times, and if you want to combine, so you can easily combine like this. So you select these two and you merge. If you merge, it will automatically add. So like this you can combine, and you can do multiple strategies and combine all the teams, and you can share those teams to your group. So that is why we have added merge. So this means, what is the meaning of this reload option? This reload is nothing but shuffling the teams. So if you click on this, teams will be shuffled. Because of that, no one let's say no one of your group member will not get all the teams in the favor of India, all the teams in the favor of Australia. It will be mix of both. So that's why mixing is also important when you create when you use the merge option. So that is another not important, but the most important thing is the sharing of the teams. So you can see after you click on the share teams, so you will get this option like total, how many teams we have added. We have added 50 teams. So total group users is how you can also customize. Let's say I have all the active users. All the active users means all the users who have active TZ software plan in your group can get these teams. So you can see total 33 teams have to be shared, because only two users only we have in that group that we have created just now. So those count is 18 plus 15, so that is 33 only. So 33 teams only we need, so we have added 50. So remaining 70 teams will be unused. So you can also do custom selection, like if you don't want to select if you don't want to share teams to all the group members with active plan, you can also customize. Like if your group have 10 people, and if you only want to share to 5 or 6 people, you can also customize here. So that is fine. So as of now I want to share the teams to every user in the in our group with the active TZ plan. So I'm clicking on post teams. So the teams are posted successfully, you can see. So as soon as teams got posted, because my number is also there in the group list, I'm also getting those teams. I will also get those TZ group teams. You can see G option is blinking, you can see that means I got the teams. So if I click on that, So this section, from this section, a normal, not only a group owner, normal TG software user also will have this G option. If you are in the if you are part of that group, and if the teams got shared, or if the teams got posted, if you are part of that group, you will also get this G option. That means you got allocated to some teams, like your account is allocated to some TG group teams by some group owner. So you can see, if I click on the match, now I am getting TG group team. So you can see TG group teams option is coming. If I click on continue, so I'm getting the 15 teams which got allocated to me. So I can see these 15 teams, and I can also join these teams. I can join these teams in my in any fantasy application within fraction of seconds. Let's say you can transfer these teams to your fantasy application. So you can click on transfer, and after that you can link your fantasy application, and you can transfer the teams. So this is a very powerful approach which we have given to the groups with the groups concept. So if you are good at creating grand league teams, this is a very helpful option. So I hope you guys will use this option. And also another thing is, you can also manage your groups. Like if you can go to the profile section where you can see, let me check. So where you can see the groups that you are part of. You can say I am part of this group, that's why it is listed here. If I want to leave this group, I can click on delete. I will be out of that group, so I will not get the teams. So like that you can also manage. So I hope you guys like this video, and for the more information you can message us on WhatsApp as well as in the Telegram. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard, stay in fight.